In today's video, I will talk about how you can create a Calendly like the booking page where you can accept the calls, meetings, or even the appointments. And in this video, I'm going to talk about this platform and I have used it to create this is the landing page for my appointments and the booking. Here I have given all the things like my FAQ, the reviews, the some of the details of my service, and anyone if is going to just click any of the book a session meeting, then this is the three slots I have given they want to book with me. So here is one of them look like they have to just select the date and the time and the meeting will be the booked with me. So this is the 30 minutes calls and here I can also charge for the meeting. So in this video I will show you how you can create it. So I am using the TidyCal and I am using its tier 1 plan of the lifetime deal. It is available on the app Sumo starting from the just $29, and compared to the Calendly it's lots affordable here and crazy features available. So if I go to the this TidyCal account here and if I go to settings, in the settings if I go to the plan, you can see I have is just the tier 1 plan, and in the tier 1 plan all these features I am getting really crazy. Okay, so if you want to get the some few more features like the SMS reminder for the US and the Canada, reply to email, dedicated Teams page, kind of this stuff, these are the few features. If you want, you have to go for its tier 2 plan, that is the agency plan, and the pricing is lot affordable, just the $79. So once you got its lifetime deal, this is the dashboard you are going to log in, and first we are going to create a booking page that will look like something like this, where your service, your photo, the some of the description, the FAQ reviews, everything will be the start showing up here. So we will go to the booking page here. Let me refresh the page, and here you will see we have the two options available. Either we can create a booking page with just the calendar date and time here, or we can create a booking website here. You can see this is the website, so I have built this website here. So what you have to do, simply enable this one and click here on this pencil icon, and now your website for the booking page will be the live in front of you, where you can do all the stuff like you can change the text here, you can change the image here, you can attach more of the slots here. You can see this is all the slots I have given. You can change the color code, you can change the themes here. We have the few more themes available, like this is the New York theme named, but if I go to the KU, you can see this is changed. This is for the Rio, this is for the Jewels. So that's how you can choose any of the theme. I like this one here, that is the New York. Then I can select the my color, I can select the my fonts, and once everything is done I can just click here on the save and my booking website will be live here. There are a few more things I want to tell you about. Let me get back to the dashboard here, and if I go to the bookings types here, I can create all the booking times like for the 15 minutes, 16 minutes, and even if I want to charge for any booking, I can just enable that. Let me just go to and add any of it. You can see this is the event title, URL. I can just customize the URL. This is the availability. If I have any few days I want to just accept for this booking, I can just enable. This is the price and subscription. If I want to make it like the per booking, I want to charge like something the $10 here, so I have to simply give it the price here, and after that I have to connect my payment platform. We have the two options available, that we can just go to the integrations and enable like the Stripe and the PayPal. I can also give the coupons for the extra discount, and we can also give the recurring subscription for the every meeting going to be booked here, but I want to make it the free, so let's go with one and click here on the save, and now my this booking is created here, and all of this will be the start showing up in this page here. Okay, so that's how you are going to create your booking and the appointment website here with a lifetime deal. There you don't have to pay for the domain, there you don't have to pay for the hosting, and all these features you are going to get in this one. Okay, so I like this one platform because the speed, the UI, everything is smoothless. Every bookings you are going to get, you will be to get the reminders in the email along with the attendee that has just booked the call with you here. Okay, and if you have the agency plan, we have also the US and the Canada SMS reminders here, but this is only available for the US and the Canada, so you can just enroll it. If you want to check it out, the TidyCal lifetime deal, I had given the link in the description. If you have any questions about this platform, just let me know in the comments. I will help you out. So this is the quick video I have just recorded for the TidyCal, because over the time this platform evolved so much with the all the features you can find in internet for any appointment or the booking page builder. Bye bye, take care. I will see you in the next one.